Hi traders, welcome to episode 257 of Trading Talk. I'm Nathan Signal and I'll be taking you through today's episode. In this episode, we'll be talking about trailing to lock in profits. All the time on the desk, clients are asking us about how to make different types of trailing stops. And what I wanted to do was show you exactly how to build a couple of the trailing stops which I use in my trading. We also touch on the strengths and weaknesses of these trailing stops so you can use them in your trading. We are quickly approaching this year's Algo Trading Conference. And if you haven't already booked in your ticket and you'd like to get access to professionally built systems developed and explained by some of the world's very best traders, please reach out to us here on the desk. If you're not already a client and would like to learn how to lock in your profits, you can click on the Learn More button on this page or in the YouTube description. Make sure you also like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the new episodes when they are released. I hope you enjoy episode 257 of Trading Talk, and as always, all the best with your trading.